Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby, and today is going to be kind of a haphazard video because I just got new lights for the studio and I'm so excited. You guys know this has been like almost a 3-year long process to get like actual equipment for my channel, and I'm just like over the moon that it's finally happening. And I didn't just want to like show up with new lights, like I wanted to share it with you guys because this is a big moment. So basically they just arrived and I'm putting them together and setting them up and seeing what lights look like. So I'm so excited. There's gonna be 3 of them, like boom, boom, boom. Like big lights with covers on them. Like this is gonna be big. Huge change for the channel, and I wanna share it with you guys. So let me get those assembled and here we go.
So basically I'm just opening up this box. The other box ended up being a tripod for my phone to sit on, so don't need that. These are all of the many components for the lights. There's actually 3 full lights with tripods in this box. I know, it's insane. While the product actually looks super good and is super like sturdy and steady, the instructions leave a lot to be desired. Like, I was struggling to put them up, but I figured I would just start with 1 light at a time and basically look for the light bulbs in these little boxes, because that was next in the instructions. You can see they weren't in the first one, they weren't in the second one, and the third time is the charm. So here's the light that goes on top of the tripod. And that's the actual like light in and of itself. But then it comes with this whole like reflector hood, which kind of looks like a skirt, and these prongs hold it on. So with very limited and not great instructions that were mainly 4 pictures to a page and not super well connected, I tried to figure out how to set up lights, even though that's not something I have ever done before. But I was super excited to get it done. So yeah, I basically just struggled with it until I was able to make it happen. So I was ultimately successful, which I'm super proud of myself for, but it, no lie, took probably almost 25 minutes to get this all settled. But then just putting on the light diffuser so I'm not staring into a light bulb was the last little bit to get this one assembled.
First off, I can't believe I got it set up correctly. That's impressive in and of itself, especially because it came with 2 other lights in the boxes and I managed to miss them because I'm that smart. It did seem like I was way too close to being done for having this many open boxes, especially because I ran out of instructions. This is like a proper light and it's gonna go up and down, and it's like a real light, and I'm freaking out right now because I've been like dreaming of having proper lighting on this channel for almost 3 years. I seriously, like, I'm not even making this up, you know those like tri-board presentation cardboard pieces that you like put up and they open? I literally just tape foil to it, like the whole front side, and like put it under my face when I'm filming and it's dark to try to reflect light. Like I have no equipment, or I had no equipment, and now I have equipment, and this is just insane. And there's 2 more of them, and I'm gonna get them like set up right now because I'm so excited and I can't wait.
Since the instructions were confusing at best and I already had 1 light successfully assembled, I thought I would just assemble the other 2 based on what I did with the first one and forego instructions completely.
There's no instructions for this one, but there's a picture for it, so I'm just gonna go off that.
I know, it's shocking. And the weird thing is this actually feels like a super legit equipment setup, like when you're working with it. Like, it's quality stuff, it's just the instructions that suck, and I don't quite know why. But the lamps themselves are super awesome. Like, they feel really sturdy, they feel really great. I'm excited for them.
This little carabiner with a screw. Apparently you're supposed to mount it into your wall or something. I honestly don't know because these instructions, the lights seem really good, but the instructions are ridiculous. Like, they're badly printed out. You know, I've never done this before, even though I assemble things all the time, and I'm struggling. Like, once I had the first one done, I'm fine, I got it, but like, I can get a little lower. Like, once I got the first one done, I'm fine, I got it, but like, I'm struggling because like these instructions are not fantastic. So in each of these little boxes came a light and the cords, and I seriously opened up 2 of the boxes, managed to miss the lights, just see the cords and think, yeah, it's reasonable that this thing has like a million gajillion cords and like only 1 light. That's why I thought I was missing pieces. Yeah. No real excuses for it, just, you know, dumb, but it's a light and a single cord for all of them, which makes much more sense.
The last light is a boom light, which is super cool. You can also just make it a regular tripod light, so it's super versatile and adaptable, and I seriously, seriously love that. It's perfect.
This is what it looks like without any additional lighting, just the normal lighting. It's seriously cool. So I have a light there, a light there. I'm gonna have one overhead, and I'm gonna turn them on and see what the difference is. So I do half light or full light. Is that full light? Ooh, so it's yellow and white. Look at that. Okay, well I know I want white light because it's in my face, and I'm just gonna make it super bright to start with. This is so cool. Oh my god. I have light. Oh my god, this is so cool. And the 3D panels are really, you can see the 3D in them, which is super neat and very cool. But I am lit up, and this is just really neat. And because of the white fabric, I feel like I'm not looking into light bulbs, which is super, super cool. It's just like a nice little ambient light. This is awesome. This is gonna be game changing for the channel, and so, so cool. So cool. Oh my god, this is so neat. Thanks so much for joining me here today, guys. I know this was kind of a weird unboxing building video, but I'm so excited for the new equipment for the channel. I'll see you here again soon with a better lit set. Bye for now.